This video, I'm going to feature some of the manufacturers that has helped my channel along the way. This is not a paid endorsement for any of the companies, but I'm always seeking out people who do excellent work. Also featuring Joe again, the master machinist who can build a bike from the ground up. The next video you'll see his bike that he did. Beautiful job. Also in Jessup, Georgia, off of 84, is a Connection Coffee and Creamery, which is a great place to refresh and to rejuvenate. Also thanks to Sean at Primal Graphics. If you have a logo, they can do a print as he did for me, and I'm very pleased with it. And I'm pretty sure if you give him a call, they can also do the same. And Jocelyn, who's still out there drag racing, setting some records. Go out and see her. I featured a variety of Indian motorcycles, people making it their own. Most of the Indian motorcycles that I've seen, I like how they do them. They stay within the theme of the Indian motorcycle and not deviating too far from the original design. Consider buying a new trailer. Consider Down2Earth Trailers in Baxley, Georgia. I'm going to take you inside their factory. I was able to tour every part of the production of a trailer. In my next video, I will go in depth to Down2Earth Trailers. Right now I'm on my way to Ocean City, Maryland for their bike festival. This is just a small preview of what I saw. Derek took me on a tour from the raw metal to the welders to the painters to the deck makers to the quality inspection, even to the new building under construction. This is truly a built right product. Again, this is just a preview. Derek will explain a lot more in my next video. Also, I'll take you into the showroom and show you what they have available for motorcycle trailers, including custom built trailers. Yes, like Derek said, we coming. Truly, you will want to see my next video of Down2Earth Trailers. See you in Ocean City.